Here on John's 56, as you can see, our brand new water pump has arrived. Woohoo! So we're going to be getting this together here momentarily. Get this baby going. First order of business, there's a few fittings on the old pump that we need to pull off. I'll show you that right now. Alright, so this plug needs to come out. This heater hose fitting needs to come out. And the bypass flange here needs to get unbolted and come out. Alright, so I've got it started. Man, that baby's in there. There it goes. Alright, fittings coming out. Alright, so that's on. Before we assemble, we do need to clean up the spacer here that the water pump mounts to. And this just spaces it out from the timing cover. Boom, right there. So we're gonna get that handled right now. Get it all clean. We gotta get that gasket surface clean too. And then we can assemble. All right, so this gasket is from the old school days of fiber. They're hard to get these now. I don't think anybody even carries them. But look at that. Oh, most of it came off. I started with the wire brush just here to kind of get it cut and started. And then I went with my blade. Did pretty good. I know I gotta clean the bench. It's like a bomb went off in here. Alright, one gasket surface is cleaned up. I'll flip this baby over and get the other side. Alright, we're all mocked up. Gasket. The pump is gonna go on top of there. So our next step is going to be clean and prep this surface here. Of course, take out that little bypass hose. And away we go.